Welcome to Colina 179, an exclusive development featuring only 4 residents, offering privacy, comfort, and modern living. Today, we're showcasing the 2 units currently available. This is the first unit, let's go see it. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo at Colina 179 blends modern design, natural light, and functional space, offering a home that is both inviting and efficient. We begin with the fully equipped kitchen, complete with a breakfast bar. It offers ample counter space, sleek finishes, and layout that makes everyday living both practical and stylish. Next, the dining and living area opens into a spacious, bright environment. Large windows fill the space with natural light, creating a welcoming atmosphere for family gatherings or entertaining guests. The primary bedroom features a generous walk-in closet and fully ensuite bathroom. It's private retreat that combines elegant with convenience. The second bedroom connects directly to a full bathroom, which also has exterior access. This thoughtful design makes it ideal for both resident and visiting guests. Finally, the unit includes a dedicated laundry area with water heater, ensuring comfort and practicality for daily living. This is the second unit, let's go see it. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo at Colina 179 thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The unit begins with a fully equipped kitchen featuring a modern breakfast bar. Sleek finishes and practical contour space make it ideal for everyday living. This area also includes a space for a laundry setup and water heater, ensure convenience at home. Next, a cozy living space offers room for a small sitting area, perfect for relaxing or welcoming guests. The primary bedroom provides privacy and comfort, enhanced by a sliding door that separates it from the rest of the unit. It's a versatile retreat designed with thoughtful details. Completing the condo is full bathroom, modern in design and easily accessible from the bedroom. This one bedroom, one bath residence at Colina 179 convenience smart design, practical amenities, and welcoming atmosphere, making it an excellent choice for modern living. Ixtapa, Puerto Vallarta has become one of the city's fastest growing residential area thanks to its strategic location and excellent connectivity. Just 50 minutes from Puerto Vallarta International Airport, it offers convenient access to key destinations such as Marina Vallarta, the Hotel Zone, Galerías Vallarta, hospitals, supermarkets, restaurants, and everyday service. Beyond the sun, the lifestyle is vibrant. Cafes, fine dining restaurants, and lively bars are all with walking distance, offering endless options for leisure and entertainment. And just a step away. Malecon is one of Puerto Vallarta's most iconic attractions, known for its ocean views, public art, local shops, cafes, and vibrant atmosphere day and night. And when the sun goes down, Vallarta nightlife comes alive with clubs, live music, and beachfront lounges. If you're looking for an exclusive residence or investment opportunity in a boutique development with only 4 units, Colina 179 is the perfect choice. Contact us today to schedule your private tour and discover this limited available residence. Thank you for watching.